Let our hearts call it a day. But before you walk away, I sincerely want to say goodbye. Bye. Goodbye. Goodbye. Bye. Goodbye.
You told me that I was crazy till I pulled up on your man and you look like the devil when you waved at me. Bitch, I got something to say to you.
Goodbye. Bye. Goodbye.
Yeah, I cracked my windshield. Lucky that I didn't crack you. Bitch, you're a black hole, sucking me in your vacuum. Yeah, I cracked my windshield. Lucky that I didn't crack you. And I'm feeling drunk in this hotel room, trying to ask you about all of your past dudes and why they stay so present. Cause bitch, if I'm the future, then why they in your presence? And if I'm the king and you're the queen, then why you acting like a peasant? Why you acting like a peasant? I thought you were gonna tell all of your exes.
Goodbye.
Fucked it all up.
Bye.
Stupid.
Goodbye.